Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 19th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the break statement in Python. The break statement in Python is used for the same purpose as it is used in other programming languages, and that is to prematurely terminate the execution of a loop, right? So in this tutorial we're going to make a very simple program, and in the program we are going to display numbers from 1 to 15 on the output screen using a while loop, and then we're going to see how we can terminate the iterations of the loop midway, or let's say when the value of the control variable reaches 10 using the break statement, right? So it's going to be very simple. So first of all, since I'm going to use the while loop, I'll need a control variable, and I'm going to call mine var or var, and I'll give it an initial value of 1 because that is going to be the starting point for the while loop, right? So this is where from we're going to start displaying values. On the next line, I'll type in the keyword while, and within parentheses, I'll type in the condition for the while loop, which is that the variable value should be less than or equal to 15, right? So this loop is going to start from 1 and it's going to loop till 15, and I'll have to put a colon here to get inside the body of the while loop. And since I want to display the value of the variable on screen, I'll use a print statement. Within parentheses, I'll simply pass the name of the variable, which is var, and on the next line I'll update the control variable to the statement var equals var plus 1, right? And then I'll get outside the body of while and simply use a print statement to display a message like goodbye, right? Just to know that we are outside the body of the while loop. And I have saved this file already, and I've given it the name break.py. I'll just run it and show you guys the output. So there you go. On the output screen, we see that we get the numbers 1 to 15, and then we see the message goodbye. Now let's say you do not want to change the condition of the while loop. That is, you do not want to change the condition to var less than equal to 10, and you still just somehow want to get outside the while loop as soon as the value of the control variable reaches 10, right? So I mean, you can try to relate it to some real life example in which you want to do something, and only up till a certain condition is satisfied, but then you don't want to do it if that condition is not satisfied, right? So I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. And you just want to terminate the execution of the while loop. That is, you do not want all the iterations of the while loop to complete. You want to terminate it midway, or at some value using some kind of statement. So we're going to use the break statement for this purpose, and what I'll have to do is before the print statement in the body of the while loop, I'll have an if statement that will check if the value of the variable or the control variable is equal to 10, and if that is the case, then we're just going to break, right? So the way you have the break statement in your loop is by simply typing the keyword break, and I'll save the file, and when I execute it now, I see that I only get numbers from 1 to 9, and then I see the message goodbye. So the break statement takes the control outside the while loop. It just gives the control back to the main program, and in the main program we just have one print statement after the while loop, and that gets executed, right? So that's it for now. In the next tutorial we're going to check out something interesting again, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.